Greetings to you all. Another beautiful style is here. Let's work on it together. 1 yard of Ankara fabric, fold it into two, fold it again, and fold it again. Watch out, and this is very simple way to create your bow. Arranging it, then fold it into two equal halves. Watch closely now. Then fold it, and if you want the bow to be very big, then bring your hand down. If you want the bow to be very small, then take your hands up. Alright, so I just want a middle size bow. So picking up my rubber band, fasten it together. Make sure it is very firm. Now watch here. Watch what I'm going to do here now. Watch closely. This one a photo. Camera. Alright, raising it up from the under, I place my hand underneath, then I bring this one down. Hold it very tight from the middle. You have formed the bow. Very easy, very simple. Alright, so I'm making sure the bow, both sides are equal. I'm picking the rubber band. Pay attention closely to my hand. Pick the rubber band and fasten it. Another rubber band and fasten it together. You are good to go. You can see the bow is ready. So what is there now is for you to adjust the bow and check whether both sides are really equal. Okay, you're done that. You're done doing that. Place it on your head this way. Take it into the back and knot it. Wash this fabric off so I knot it once. What is left is not long enough for me to knot it this time. So what do? I make an office pin and pin the two edges. Pin the two edges. We are good to go. Person you're hearing her voice, if this is the first time you're coming across my videos and channel, is Demi Entertainment on Facebook and Demi in the Empire on YouTube. Alright, so please do well to drop your like, your comment. Please don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's learn together. You have a lot of beautiful hair strap to learn. Alright, so you can see it now. Pick up your hair accessory and cover that rubber band in the middle. Adjust your bow. You are good to go. Simple way to style your bow on your Ankara fabric this Christmas period. Just go with it casual wear. You will be cool. Alright, so you can see it. You can tilt it a little bit to the right, a little bit to the side, or keep it in the middle. The choice is yours. You can see how beautiful and elegant it is. Alright, so please don't forget to join the subscription sale, the subscription button. See you in my next video. Kudos to all my subscribers.